Hey there, weight loss warriors! Did you know that your daily diet holds the key to a flat stomach and shedding unwanted fat? Stick around to discover the secrets to a toned midsection through your food choices. Welcome back to the channel where we're diving deep into the world of weight loss and nutrition. Today, we're focusing on how your diet can help you achieve that flat stomach you've been dreaming of. Let's get started. Before we get started, you may want to check out our #1 recommended weight loss solution in the description box below after you have watched this video. This is really taking the weight loss community by storm, and we suggest that you take a look for yourself at some of the amazing results that others are experiencing with it. Now on with the video. Losing belly fat can be a real struggle for many of us. We often face challenges like bloating, cravings, and slow metabolism that hinder our progress. But fear not, as the solution lies in what we eat and how we nourish our bodies. So, what food should you be reaching for to promote fat loss and flatten your stomach? Think lean proteins like chicken and fish, fiber-rich vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocado and nuts. Here are some examples of balanced meals you can enjoy. Grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted veggies, a colorful salad with grilled shrimp, or a hearty lentil soup with a side of whole grain bread. Now let's uncover the key to success in your weight loss journey. Hydration is crucial for boosting metabolism and aiding digestion. Portion control helps prevent overeating, while balanced nutrition ensures you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big results in the long run. To wrap things up, a balanced diet is the cornerstone of achieving a flat stomach and reaching your weight loss goals. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to healthy eating habits and stay committed to your journey. Your body will thank you for it. I challenge you to try out these diet tips for a flat stomach and share your progress with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss content and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Together, we can crush our fitness goals. Don't forget to check out our #1 recommended weight loss solution by clicking the link in the description box below this video.